Hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would really appreciate it. I love having you here. It is a delight and a privilege to have your viewership. Today I have a mystery box from FabFitFun. That's right. It's one of their summer edit sales to get you ready for the summer. And I always get the mystery boxes because I get the best stuff. Sometimes I've had duds. Sometimes I've had boxes that weren't so hot. But for the most part, it's really good. Oh, it looks like there's a lot of stuff, even though this isn't a very big box. All right. There's a lot of stuff in here. So we will open the bag. I have to cut this open. These drawstrings never come untied. And the first thing I have, and this is a $29.99 mystery bag, mystery box. I have a headband, and it looks really cute. It's shimmery and iridescent. It's got leopard. Oh, it looks like there's a big bandana in my head. But that looks pretty cute. It doesn't look great with what I'm wearing, but that's great. Very fun. A bandana type headband. Then, this has a great pump. It is a cleansing gel. It is gentle cleansing, e-cooking. I'm gonna have to get my glasses out to read this because you don't get a card with the mystery boxes. And it says vitamin E and cucumber. It's vegan. And it's got lots of ingredients. It contains cucumber extracted organic sunflower. And work the gel into a lather in your hands and apply to your face and neck morning and evening. The nourishing formula deeply yet gently cleanses your skin, suitable for normal or oily skin. Rinse with water. And it says that e-cooking was the result of Tina Segard's personal crisis, which made her skin look tired and dull. Thus, she went to the kitchen to mix creams, oils, and serums that could boost her skin. This eventually is how e-cooking came about. Read the full story at ecooking.com. And this is a nice size gel, and it's kind of sparkly. I like how it's kind of sparkly and bubbly. That's very nice. Then we have, a pencil. An eyebrow pencil. It's a universal brow pencil. I wonder what color universal brow pencil is. Because I like to use kind of a brown in the brown family. And it's a $1 billion brows pencil. It's got a spoolie. Oh, this will work fine. That'll work fine for my brows. It's like a little warm brown. I'm going to put it with my eyebrow pencil. Well, I'll put it with them in just a second. So that's cool. And then last but not least, this is No BS. No BS. Body moisturizer. Aloe vera, shea butter, and coconut oil. And there's no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfites, no synthetic fragrances, and it's gluten-free, and it's not tested on animals. And it is sealed. And I don't know how much any of these things cost, but I definitely got more than $29 worth of stuff here. Much more. And here it is. Skin is in, but it's not, but not if it's thirsty. Quench that cracked ashy desert with rich moisturizers like shea butter, coconut oil, and rosehip oil. Antioxidant rich green tea and lavender oil nourish dry arms, legs, and everything in between, so your skin is fly, not dry. Say it's fly, not dry. It's fly, not dry. How to use: no need for dry spells. Give yourself a rub down after bathing or whenever you need to quench that thirst. Awesome. A little here. Oh, it's sealed. I will unseal it because I want to check out this No BS moisturizer. Hard to do with nails on, I'll tell you that. Pulling that little foil back. All right. And it's just a rich white cream. Ooh, it feels very emollient. It's got a very fresh, it smells a lot like shea butter. And it makes my tattoos look great. We love her. We love our Cyclops. But very cool. So we have a moisturizer, a cleanser, a brow pencil, and a beautiful headband. So I'm really excited about what I got in my box. There's not a loser in it. I hope that you have a great day or day of your choice. The summer box will be here before you know it. And I'll have more mystery items when I get that box. Have a great day. We'll see you real soon. Bye.